Fool, a word that gets thrown around a lot. But who are these fools? The ones who told us we weren't the center of the universe. The ones who said that man could set foot on the moon. The one who claimed tires would outrun the horses. The one who persevered over 10,000 times to find a better light source. The ones who believed man doesn't need wings to fly. The ones who claimed time is relative, a fact one cannot deny. The one who was convinced he could free an entire race. The ones who dreamt of making it to the top at their own pace. The ones who think they can win wars with disobedience. The ones who risk their own to pull millions from their grievance. The ones who were delusional enough to think they could change the world. Fool, fool, fool. But these fools had the last laugh. We celebrate all these fools who made the impossible possible. Happy Fool's Day from InUnity. We believe in you when the world doesn't.